Namaste test lay welcome back to my channel ani nga sidi chungyi khasang citizenship ki office la to ne ani ngi kidanda Canada la yongchi lo dungi je la ni Canadian ki citizenship chak so ni message la ki chasang ra so chasa ni ngi namsula dring pige Canadian ki citizenship ra ka so ni pige kuyu da ni neda lo chi Canada chi to lo dingi namsula chi to sam so kaisina Canada la ni uzpaba Canadian gi misala ke rangi mo shi tong so ina ni da nimba ni tong so chi sangi nam so bi si chi tong so so di shi ni nimba kashi chi su yo odi nam so chi ku yi chi dang gi na ba de na man so ki ha ki ne la ke tep so chi ke te chi ni man so ba chi ge ka du ni ya ma tra gi chu jin kang za lu sha wo re chi sa ni ke ga de ni ke ka de chi bu yi chi za ni da maung bai na ni ke ga ki tep so di tap si gap ani di sa la ngan so ki ni Canada gi mi ki lake yama drag ni tuma lake sende chi dus ani sawasu dus ya no kuki sawasu te de chi sai ni mong bai ne dil te ni ngan yama drag chi cha de re chi sai ni mixe ge ni ngan so kya de ni chi ni ko ni ani karij bu yi si shi yi ro chi sai ni dring ni nam so la dus video tindu chi dus te yi nam so muti ni se ro na di na mo la ni ko da Canada gi mo ni mi se lake gi dus misela ke dusu shuga to te munne kuranda kawoji chwa pet mando do sili to chi chani kaisin dinang la mi tamana pe mong le to ana lumba shibju ngoju dine ke mi zong to ani tamina zong to mi chi chani midang mi khong pe thang ko ke da ngap chu dine to chi chani kuyu ko pet mando do chi sha chi chani nge nam su mi se chi bring to sni do tundu chi so ye ani nam su chama mutini sironang
Unless, of course, it is part of a tradition or religiously or traditional outfit. Okay? So, to those becoming Canadian citizens today, shortly, you need to stay in this room, in your assigned seat, for the full length of the ceremony. After the ceremony, goes some information in your files. And now, everyone, again, please turn on your cell phone. Okay? You will not be able to.
Today and what it will be tomorrow as we build it together. Congratulations, Canadians, and welcome home. Merci d'avoir choisi le Canada. Nous sommes très heureux que vous fassiez partie de notre pays.
Thank you very much, Madam Clerk. Well, good evening, everyone. You guys excited? Just wondering, you guys excited?
yes
You're becoming a Canadian citizen today. It's wonderful. I'm so glad to see everybody here. Now, I know that I saw a lot of children come in. I have a lot of children here making noise. Please take them outside. Because what happens is when they are disrupting, people do not hear the ceremony. It's really unfair to the people becoming Canadian citizens because this is your ceremony as well. So I'm going to ask you to please take the children out if they're not comfortable. Yeah, like him. I think he might be more comfortable if he goes out and through hard work in getting to know one and another. This is how we can build a society that's more just and more inclusive. Not only for ourselves, but perhaps most importantly for our children and our grandchildren. I want to also add, you're now becoming a Canadian citizen in the month of May. There's 2 more days left in May. Today is May the 30th, right? You're becoming a Canadian citizen in the month of May, and that's that's significant? Because you see, every year in May, in Canada, we celebrate Asian Heritage Month. This is the month where we recognize the contributions of people who came from Asia, which is one of the largest continents in the world. It stretches from Turkey all the way up to the Hawaiian Islands. They came here and they have helped build this country to what it is today for us to be now be a part of.
Choice of either saying I swear or I affirm. So please pay close attention to the following instructions. You will repeat the words of the oath as a group, one sentence at a time, each time after Judge Wong. Please do not read the oath on your own. Do not read the oath on your own. Would all the candidates please now rise? Raise your right hand and listen. If you choose to swear the oath and hold the oath, please place it in your right hand. The oath is right. Those in attendance, please stand up, raise your right hand, and repeat the oath if you wish.
So everybody in the middle, make sure you look at me the whole time as you say the oath. I know there are a lot of you taking pictures. Do not turn and look at the cameras because I'm scanning. And if you turn, I just might miss you saying the oath. So keep looking at me. People on the sides, join us. Today is a beautiful day for you to reaffirm your oath of citizenship, as the clerk mentioned. So raise your right hand as well and repeat the oath with us. Okay? All right. So make sure, ready? Good. Repeat after me. I swear.
I swear
That I will be faithful.
that I will be faithful
And bear true allegiance.
and bear true allegiance
To His Majesty.
to His Majesty,
King Charles III.
King Charles III,
King of Canada.
King of Canada.
I'm a Canadian citizen. So, congratulations, one and all. Let me start this way. First of all, the reason you become a Canadian citizen is not because of me. Let's be clear about that. All I did was come in the door, sat down, gave you a speech. It's the officers working here, that's why you're the citizen today. They're the ones who did all the work, not me. In fact, to show you the amount of work they have to do, in the last 48 hours, they had to actually open up your files one more time. And then to verify that you were still ready to be granted citizenship today. All the checks that had to be done, checks of CBSA, CSIS, RCMP, and all the other agencies were completed in the last 48 hours. You saw how when you came in here, they verified your identity. The clerk asked to see a piece of ID. And she checked the picture of the ID, it had to be valid. And she checked the picture against you. Why? Because we have to make sure you're the person becoming a Canadian citizen. Not just anybody else coming in through the door. So it's very careful. And then you came across over here, and the two officers took your PR card away. Do you know why? You're no longer PR. Now, you might wonder why you are here for this ceremony so late. Did you hear about the strike?
Yes.
You were affected by the strike.
We stand God for thee.
Okay, all right. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you.